It was really interesting to know about various functions of the stem. Can you tell me about the functions of other parts of the plant also?
Yes, why not? Let's learn about structure and functions of a plant leaf. Different plants have different types of leaves. These leaves are of different shapes, sizes and colors. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is known as petiole. The broad green surface of the leaf is known as lamina. The lines on the leaf are called the veins, and the thick vein in the middle of leaf is called midrib. Different types of leaves have different arrangements of veins. This is known as leaf venation. If the veins make a net-like structure on both the sides of the midrib, it is called reticulated venation. In some plants, the veins are arranged parallel to one another. It is known as parallel venation. Let's do a fun activity with leaves. Collect leaves of different shapes. Take a paper sheet and colored pencils or crayons. Put the paper on leaf as shown in the figure. Hold the pencil tip sideways and rub it on the portion of the paper having the leaf below it. You will get the leaf impression on the paper. Let's have a quick look on the structure of a leaf. A leaf has petiole, lamina, veins and midribs. Now let's learn about the functions of a leaf. The primary function of the leaf is to prepare food for the plant. The leaf is also known as the food factory or kitchen of the plant. Plant leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance called chlorophyll, which is present in them. This process is known as photosynthesis. Leaves also use water and carbon dioxide for this process and release oxygen gas as a byproduct. Have you noticed how clean and fresh the air feels when you are surrounded by a large number of plants? It is because plants fill the air with oxygen, which is essential for all of us to live.
Plants are really lucky. They do not have to chop, cook or bake their food. They just sit around and make their own food. But tell me something. Like I eat a variety of food items, what do plants eat? And how can we say that only leaves prepare the food for the plants and not the other parts of the plant?
Let's see some interesting experiments. I am sure you will be able to find the answers to your questions. Keep a potted plant in a dark room for 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, take it out and cover one of its leaves completely with black paper and keep the plant in the sunlight. After 1 day, remove the cover from the leaf. Now, plug the leaf covered with black paper and one other leaf from the plant. Take 2 test tubes. Put the 2 leaves in different test tubes and fill the test tubes with spirit. Keep the test tubes in a beaker filled with water and boil the water till all the green color of both the leaves come out in the spirit. Carefully take out the leaves from the test tubes and wash the leaves with plain water. After washing them, keep them on 2 different clean plates. Now, put few drops of iodine solution on both the leaves. Iodine is an indicator. An indicator is a substance that indicates the presence of another substance, often by changing color. Here, we are using iodine to indicate the presence of starch, that is a carbohydrate found in plants. Iodine solution on the uncovered leaf turns into blue-black color, which is a positive iodine test. On the other hand, when we put the iodine solution on the covered leaf, the color of solution does not change, which is a negative iodine test. So, you observed that the leaf which was not covered gave the positive iodine test, indicating the presence of starch in the leaf. Since we did not cover this leaf, it was able to absorb sunlight and manufacture its food. Whereas the leaf which was covered gave negative iodine test, which showing that there was no starch in the leaf. Because of the absence of sunlight, the covered leaf could not produce the food. The next important function of the leaf is transpiration. Take a potted plant. Cover its leaves with a clean and dry polythene bag and keep this plant under direct sunlight for 1 day. Next morning, carefully observe the polythene bag. You will see small water droplets on the inner surface of the polythene bag. What do you think? From where have these water droplets come inside the bag? These water droplets have come out of the leaves of the plant in the form of vapor. This process is known as transpiration. The surface of a leaf has many tiny pores called stomata. The stomata allow carbon dioxide into the leaf so that photosynthesis can happen. They also allow water to go out of the leaf by transpiration. Plants release water into the air through transpiration and help in maintaining the water cycle. From these experiments, we learned that the two main functions of a plant leaf are photosynthesis and transpiration. So, this was all about the structure and functions of leaves of a plant. Hope you enjoyed it.
Of course, sir. And I'm ready to learn about rest of the parts of the plant also.